Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TS MACD Pro Traders, okay, and our website is www.dprotraders.com. The title of this video is MACD Reloaded Part 4. If you have not watched MACD Reloaded Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, you may do so going to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/George Trio. All right, so this is MACD Reloaded Part 4. Today is the 19th of September 2012, and the time in London is 13:51 p.m. In New York is 8:51 a.m. Let's get started. As you can see, I haven't removed my lines that I've drawn on the 17th, right here, 17th of September 2012. We were talking about MACD Reloaded Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. And today is the 19th. We continue with that series of video talking about MACD Reloaded Part 4. So, this is the hourly MACD. You know now my setting for the hourly MACD. This MACD is specifically for the hourly chart, nothing else. The setting for the hourly MACD is 20, 50, 50, okay, and 9, okay. This is the setting for the hourly MACD, which I revealed to traders now. Now you know one of my little secrets, all right. But the most important thing is the price itself, the number one indicator, not MACD. MACD will give you the warning, but traders must follow the price. So on the hourly chart, we were here that time, and I was telling you that aggressive traders will just sell now. On the 17th, I was telling you that they will sell here, and they just place their stop loss above here. But you can see that the price finally went above it. What the price was trying to do, you see this, you see the pink line that I drawn here. Let's see whether we can extend it or not. Normally we can, but let's see. It should allow me to do that. Okay, yes, we can extend it. Okay, you see this, if you put it here, joining this point here where my cursor is, and this one here, we'll extend it, okay? That's it, you see? So this point and this point, okay, allow us to draw the pink trend line. And you can see we were here, and I was telling you that aggressive traders will sell here on top of the consolidation on the hourly chart, market pattern first, as I explained to you, and they will place their stop loss 10 pip above this level. Now you see, and using the best trading method, which means this is the signal time frame, one must select now a best entry point, where one can enter the trade. The price did not go down. You can see that from the top, you have to take profit here. If you didn't, you see it went back again here. The red candle here, some traders start selling, but it quickly returned back up. The price was seeking to retest the pink trend line right here. See the pink trend line? So D below the pink trend line was so desperate to retest this. The smart money always like to sell at the best place. I told traders that the best scenario is to allow it to D below, patient traders, we allow it to D below the consolidation zone, come back and retest it here. My drawing is still here. It didn't do that. You see that they prefer to the retest of the pink trend line, D below the pink trend line, retesting the pink trend line. Again, you can see here, blah, 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 before, again, now we are now onto the blue line. It's a channel, if you watch, the previous video talking about MACD Reloaded, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, you will understand, because I don't want to repeat myself again in this video. That will be unfair on other traders that has been following us carefully, If we extend the turquoise trend line, now we can extend this one now. So far, though MACD is still there, I didn't say anything about MACD now. You see, we extend it now. You see the price after retesting here, he roll it boom, 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 boom to retest the turquoise line. You see how the price is moving from one, hot spot trading zone to another hot spot trading zone. Trader took profit here, bounce up again, blah 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 blah. Okay, consolidation this session. So now what do we do? Okay, that's what I'm saying. So though MACD was going down, telling that the bearish momentum is increasing, the price was still consolidating. Usually, if the market is expecting a very important news or they are looking up to some future news, the price may be consolidating, blah 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 for a long time, as the market is preparing itself for okay a very important economy news. So what do we do? Okay, there is a consolidation taking place in this session on the hourly chart. I can see. So this week, in fact, there was not much, as I explained to those who are trading forex. By the way, we were looking at this is the pound dollar currency pair right here. British pound, US dollar currency pair, GBP USD, the pound dollar currency pair on the hourly chart using the hourly MACD. This is not the standard MACD. Alright, so the price was consolidating again, blah 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 blah. That's where a lot of day traders get into trouble. You want to know the market pattern first before making a trading decision. Okay, so it has been too long. In fact, we can draw a bigger channel like this, you see. All right, this is what's happened now. Okay, the bigger channel is this. All right, so it looks to me that the price finally may do as I was expecting it, down and retest. So we will see. Or as we dip below the turquoise line, the smart money may take it now back again to the turquoise trend line. Okay, and if we receive a signal here to sell, we will sell it right here. That will be a low risk entry point. Trading is not all about excitement. It's about making money consistently and being very, very defensive, which you are protecting your money at all costs. And if it's not set up for you nicely, you just wait patiently, okay? Sit on your hand and wait patiently. This is about giving to yourself, okay? Suppose, okay, you ask somebody to drink, to offer you a drink, okay? The person offer you the drink but put it in a dirty cups. You'll be very upset. In fact, you will throw the drink into the face of the person because the person has insulted you, which means the person did not give you the best. It didn't show you any respect. So in trading, you don't want to do that to yourself also. So you want to be very selective, high quality trade setup. You don't want to take too much risk. All right, you want to check the risk reward ratio. This is about building a mindset of professional traders, the best professional traders, okay, so you can enjoy your trade. So this is excellent price, or this below this level. So now we are below the horizontal line here. So if they will prefer this one, okay, they will prefer this one, okay, but there's another scenario. If they are very eager to sell, because the reason why the market is behaving like this, today is Wednesday, so Monday, okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, what do we have? The oil inventory at 3:30 p.m. London time, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. Every week, the professionals are just waiting for that news. And those who were in this trade, you see, they were bullish all this time buying. They start taking some profit now because they know that at 3:30 p.m. London time, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, the oil inventory is due. So some traders decided to take some profit now, waiting for the news to be released before they can commit again or move their stop loss or take some profit. Okay, just managing their portfolio in relation to that important oil inventory news. Tomorrow is Thursday, which important news also is the natural gas inventory, natural gas storage. Okay, so these two news every week is just playing with the day traders. Some day traders play carefully and they make a lot of money. Okay, just paying attention to these two important news each week, every week. You can't mix it. All right, so if you are trading, you don't pay attention to these two news, you need to catch up. Okay, you need to catch up. So here, all right. So MACD is going down, telling us that the price MACD below is signal line, telling us that the price should be below the a simple moving average 20, but the price consolidating because the market is something is going on. It's just going up and down as expecting the news. So we will see after if the news is okay, which means if they have more oil, okay, if they have more oil than forecast, okay, then we will expect, okay, trader to start, okay, taking profit, which means this may go down, but do not bet on it because we are not trading the news. We want to be aware of the news, and now we wait for the price to give us the signal. That's the best way. Some traders trade the news, do not trade the news, but pay attention to the news, acknowledge the news, but take signal by following the price. That's the right way forward. Okay, because sometimes traders, as soon as the news come out, they will place a trend, but the price will do something else. All right, you don't want to do that. All right. Okay, so now MACD was rolling it down. Okay, like this, we want to sell at a resistance level. So, where are the resistance levels? You see, there was one here. Again today, you see, here, double top on the hourly chart. MACD is bearish. We will look for opportunity to sell. It's the easy trend down. Okay, from 1 to 670, the price stand now 1 to 1 from the 16270. The price now at 162.110, 162.10. Okay, so that's 60 pip down. Okay, this morning on the 19th, easy trade, double top, boom down. All right, this common sense trend line here on the hourly chart. I don't want to draw it. Okay, take it down. So this professional trader, they have all this line like I have here. So they will be saying, now you see, you roll it down to the blue line, which I drawn last time. Okay, you see the channel you see the channel that we drawn here. You see, this is about the MACD reloaded part 1, part 2, part 3. You may watch them and understand of what all this line. So now we came back to retest the top of the rising channel. Okay, so it's a support level now. Professional would like to bring it to retest the two-quarter line, and when we reach the two-quarter line, we will see. We don't assume that it will definitely bring it down, but if you receive a signal here to sell, we will sell. You see now, though MACD is here giving us a warning that the price has a rise and to gap down, we will wait for the price itself to give us the sell signal at the hotspot. So here, somebody selling here has a valid reason to sell because the MACD was giving a warning. Now the price give a double top, and the common sense trend line here is broken. One will select a best entry time frame and enter the trade. But if somebody else is just paying attention to MACD, he may be frustrated or make a wrong decision. The market pattern first is a consolidation here. So if you want to sell on the edge here, on the top of the consolidation session, that's how you trade the consolidation. That's the bread and butter of okay, trading. Okay, if it did below the consolidation session and retest it, okay, we will see. But there is a turquoise trend line here. All right, it makes sense. It is also powerful. Okay, so as you can see, it's more to do with practice. Okay, try to do it properly. Combine the technical with the fundamental. Okay, and try to avoid repeating the same mistake and focusing on the ability to trade. What do I mean? Trying to do better today than yesterday. Each day you want to do better today than yesterday. Even the tiniest profit, okay, is a progress. If you were rushing to trade and now you are more, okay, conservative, it's a progress. Okay, don't think that you are not making any progress at all. Okay, if you are not managing your trade, okay, perfectly, but you see some improvement in that area, okay, it's a progress also. This video is primarily for the TS MACD Pro traders. As always, if you are TSTW trader or TS MACD Pro trader, you have any question, please feel free to send me a very short email and I will get back to you. If you want to purchase the TS MACD Pro, you need to go to www.dayprotraders.com. Hope you have enjoyed this video that you will put into use, okay, in order to cream the market consistently. Now that the price touching this support level, okay, let's zoom in now before I close this video to my crazy favorite 3-minute chart. What I can do, zooming into price. When you want to zoom into the price, you want to see what is happening now, because you want to make a decision. You want to make excellent decision. You don't want to just jump into it and say, oops. All right. You know, in the past, I used to get into some trend and start praying straight away that, okay, don't take me out, don't take me out. But you want to, okay, pray before, so to speak, before you enter the trade, not after you enter the trade, which means do your verification and, okay, be very different. So on the 3-minute chart, you see, blah, 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 declining channel on the 3-minute chart. Now that declining channel is violated, okay, you want to participate in this move to retest the turquoise line on the hourly chart. We will prefer it to roll it back down. Price about to go up, must go down first before going up. So we will prefer it to roll it back. On the 3-minute chart, somebody like this, try to be very, very careful and very, very defensive, selecting the best entry price. So he or she will prefer it to come bring it back here, okay, before bringing it up. Sometimes the price will just go straight up. I will not talk about it. I never talked about it before, but I know there's a case where the price sometimes will touch and just go. All right. So speak to you very soon.